Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Potty Training Kits is probably one of the most essential investments a parent can make during those crucial early years, transforming a potentially messy and stressful period into a smoother, more manageable journey for both child and caregiver. These comprehensive kits are designed to provide everything you need, from comfortable potties and easy-to-clean splash guards to step stools and reward charts, all aimed at encouraging independence and building confidence in your little one as they master this significant developmental milestone. Number 5. Dino Potty Training Chart for Toddlers. Make potty training an exciting adventure for your little one with our dinosaur-themed reward chart. It's designed to motivate and celebrate every milestone. With 194 cool stickers, your child can track their progress and earn rewards for their achievements. Every step forward is a reason to celebrate. 2 fun crowns are included to make your child feel like royalty as they conquer potty training. It's a special way to acknowledge their hard work. Present them with a motivational certificate to commemorate their success. This special recognition will boost their confidence and encourage continued effort. Our chart comes with bonus instruction cards and an erasable pen, making it simple to use and reuse. Track progress effortlessly for both boys and girls. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a positive potty training experience. It's the ideal tool to guide your child through this important stage. What we like. This kit comes with a fun dinosaur theme and a generous amount of stickers to keep your little one engaged. It even includes a motivational certificate to celebrate their achievements. If you're looking for a comprehensive reward system with plenty of positive reinforcement, this is a great choice. What people say. The potty seat is designed to fit securely on the toilet, preventing it from slipping. It includes a built-in splash guard to minimize messes. The potty chair is easy to clean, with a removable pot and a smooth surface. Number 4. Hadley designs potty training chart for girls. Introducing a complete potty training kit designed to make the journey fun and engaging for your little one. It includes everything you need to track progress and celebrate every success. This set comes with multiple charts and a generous amount of stickers, featuring cute and unique designs that will capture your child's imagination. It's thoughtfully designed to make potty time feel like a game. Help your child build pride in their achievements with this effective reward system. Each completed task earns a sticker, motivating them to stay engaged and fostering a sense of accomplishment. Say goodbye to screen time struggles. This chart offers a fun, interactive, and screen-free method to monitor potty progress. Choose from a variety of delightful themes your child will adore. Designed by a mom and former preschool teacher, this tool is an essential for any parent. It simplifies the process, keeps your child motivated, and makes celebrating milestones a joyful experience. With plenty of space to track progress and a fun reward system, this chart helps make saying goodbye to diapers an exciting adventure. It's the perfect way to encourage independence and celebrate toilet success. What we like. This option offers a charming unicorn design that's perfect for encouraging independence in girls. It includes multiple charts and a large quantity of stickers for sustained motivation. If you prefer a screen-free approach and want a visually appealing tool specifically for girls, this is an excellent fit. What people say. The potty seat is very sturdy and fits securely on the toilet. The splash guard is effective and prevents messes. The potty chair is easy to clean and store. Number 3. Hadley designs potty training chart for girls. Introducing a delightful potty training chart designed to make the journey fun and engaging for your little one. It's a perfect tool to celebrate every success. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to track progress, featuring multiple charts and plenty of fun stickers. It's designed to keep them motivated. Help your toddler build confidence and independence with this rewarding system. Each completed task earns a sticker, making them proud of their achievements. Say goodbye to screen time distractions. This chart offers a fun, interactive, and screen-free way to monitor their potty training progress with adorable designs. Designed by a mom and former preschool teacher, this chart is an essential tool for celebrating every potty training milestone. Make toilet training an exciting adventure. With unique, handmade designs like princesses and mermaids, this chart is specifically tailored to capture the imagination of young girls. They'll love tracking their progress. What we like. Designed with boys in mind, this chart features exciting construction themes to make potty training feel like a game. It provides ample charts and stickers for consistent tracking and rewards. If you're seeking a screen-free, engaging option tailored for boys with a theme they'll love, consider this one. What people say. The potty seat is very sturdy and doesn't slip around. The splash guard is effective and prevents messes. It's easy to clean and store away when not in use. Number 2. Hadley designs potty training chart for toddlers boys. Introducing a fun and engaging way to make potty training exciting for your little one. This set includes everything you need to track progress and celebrate every success. Keep your child motivated with colorful stickers and a rewarding system. It turns potty time into a fun game, helping them stay engaged and proud of their achievements. Encourage your toddler to take pride in their progress and build confidence. Each completed task earns a sticker, helping them develop independence with every milestone. This is a fantastic screen-free tool to monitor potty progress. Choose from a variety of exciting designs that your child will absolutely love. Make toilet training easier and more exciting. This chart helps your toddler stay motivated and celebrates their success, making the transition from diapers a breeze. Thoughtfully designed by a mom and former preschool teacher, this chart is made in the USA. It's perfect for parents seeking effective and adorable potty training tools. What we like. This product focuses on convenience and cleanliness with its leak-proof and super-absorbent liners. They are designed for easy tie and toss disposal, fitting most potty chairs. If your priority is minimizing mess and simplifying the cleanup process during potty training, especially when on the go, these liners are a must-have. What people say. The potty seat is designed to fit most toilets and has a non-slip surface to prevent accidents. It includes a built-in splash guard to keep the area clean and a removable cup for easy disposal of waste. The potty training kit comes with a step stool that is sturdy and adjustable, allowing children to reach the toilet comfortably. Number 1. Frida Baby Poo Plus Pee Potty Liners. Introducing Frida Baby Poo Plus Pee Potty Liners, designed for effortless potty training. These liners make cleanup a breeze for parents and toddlers alike. Our liners fit securely around the potty bowl, creating a leak-proof barrier. When it's time to dispose, simply use the easy tie handles to seal in a mess. Each liner comes with a super-absorbent pad capable of soaking up to 5 fluid ounces of liquid. This ensures a dry and clean potty experience. Designed for convenience, these liners fit securely in most standard potty chairs. They are perfect for both home and on-the-go use. This pack contains 30 Poo Plus Pee potty liners, providing ample supply for your potty training journey. Enjoy a cleaner, more convenient experience. What we like. These liners are designed for maximum compatibility, fitting most standard potty chairs. The pack includes 30 liners with convenient easy tie handles for quick disposal. If you're looking for a versatile and practical solution to keep your potty clean, regardless of the chair you use, these liners offer great value and ease of use. What people say. The potty seat is comfortable for my toddler and fits well on our standard toilet. The built-in splash guard is a great feature, preventing messes. The potty chair is easy to clean and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.